Last stop for rock skipping on the WildHorse River here, right in my family lands of Firststeel, British Columbia. 5 generations of family settling this land, and one last soaking up the nature, the beautiful wildlife, and just the primary water and the beauty of it all. Back to Berta and reality tomorrow, but for right now, soaking up one last little bit of beautiful British Columbia. Hope you all enjoy. You have. She's getting minimum 3 skips a go. We'll be back here again soon.